In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the JSON RPC error in MetaMask. Let's dive into this step-by-step process to get you back on track quickly. First, let's make sure your MetaMask extension is ready to go. Simply click the MetaMask icon located in your browser's toolbar. If you haven't logged in yet, you'll need to do so now to access MetaMask's full functionality. Now that you're logged in, let's figure out which network is causing the hitch. Head over to the top section of the MetaMask interface and click the Network drop-down menu. Here, you can switch to the Ethereum mainnet or any other network that's known to work. If changing the network resolves the issue, it indicates that the problem lies with the custom network you were using. It's time to tackle the issue with the custom network. Click on the profile icon in the top right corner and navigate to Settings. Once you're there, find and select Networks. Take a careful look to identify the custom network, such as Binance Smart Chain or Polygon, that's giving you trouble. Scroll down to locate the Delete button and click on it to remove this network from your list. With the problematic network cleared out, we can proceed to re-add it. Head back to Networks and click Add a Network. You have the option to select one from the list or input the network details manually if necessary. In this step, you'll need to ensure you re-enter the correct RPC, chain ID, and other crucial details. Websites like chainlist.org can be incredibly handy if you need assistance here. After you've successfully added the network, make sure to save your changes and then switch to this newly configured network. Before we wrap things up, there's an optional step that can help sometimes: clearing out some data. Go back into Settings and move over to the Advanced section. Scroll down until you find the option to clear Activity tab data and give it a click. While you're at it, you may want to check out the Security and Privacy section, where you can clear connected sites under connected sites. This helps to ensure there are no lingering issues from previous connections. Finally, one more thing that we don't want to overlook is restarting your browser. Close all tabs and completely exit your browser. Then, open it up once more and go back into MetaMask to check if the network is functioning properly now. And there you have it. That's it. You've fixed the JSON RPC error in MetaMask. I'm confident these steps will have resolved any issues you were experiencing. Your MetaMask should be working as expected. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.